up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I have another wig review for you guys, and guys, I love this unit, so I am excited to tell you all about it. So if you want to hear my thoughts, keep watching. So you guys, this is the Main Concept Brown Sugar BS135. I don't know if that picture was clear, but hopefully it is, but I'll provide a link in the description bar below to the unit. So I got this hair in a shade number 2, which is a dark brown. It's really dark in person. I can tell that it's a brown too. It's not like a soft black or anything. So it is in a dark brown, and I got it for $25.79. Now I'll add some more links to other websites if there are cheaper prices available, because I have noticed with units in these stores, these websites, they charge different prices for the same unit. I don't understand why, but it is what it is. So this unit retails for $25.79. This unit comes with 0 clips. There's no clips on this unit. So if you do have a smaller size head, you will need something like a Wig Grip. And I got mine from Amazon and it works perfectly. It was like $16. So you will need a Wig Grip, but because my head is on the larger side, I don't need it. If you have a larger head, this will fit a little, it fits like on point. It's not too snug, it's not loose at all. So it does fit, and I know it won't fall off of my head. I wish somebody would try it, but it won't be falling off of my head because it is like a perfect size, and I'm on the last adjustment section of the back. So it does come with 2 adjustable straps, and yeah, I'm on the last one. It does fit snug a little bit, but not uncomfortable. It feels secure. So if you have a smaller head, like I said, you will need either bobby pins or a Wig Grip to secure it, to make sure it doesn't come off your head. So this is a human hair mix, and it's a mixture of human hair and synthetic hair. It does have a lace parting. I'll show you how that looks up close. Now the good thing about this wig is that it came with a lace cut already, and I love when wigs come with the lace cut. It saves so much time, and you don't have to worry about accidentally cutting off hairs in the front. So I love that. I love this wig so much. So let's get into the review. Shedding, I haven't dealt with a lot of shedding. It's been 1 or 2 hairs, and I did pluck the part a little bit. So other than that, like, I haven't had much shedding problem. So when you run your hair through it, it's not gonna be hairs falling out. The texture is like it's a yaki. It's a little silky, but it's full. I love the density of this wig. It looks so full, and I just love the density. It's not too thin, and it has enough body even though it's straight. This hair does not tangle at all. You can just rub your hands through it. I don't know. I'll come back with an update after like a bunch of wears, and I'll let you know if it starts tangling, because I do find that with some wigs, after several wears, a bunch of wears, even sometimes 3 or 4 wears, it does start to tangle and get a little matted. So I will let you guys know, but I have had a good experience with Main Concept. I've bought a few wigs from them, and I'll include those reviews in the cards, but I have had a good experience, and I do love this hair mix, this human hair mix. I don't know if that's why it feels so natural. I don't know why. I don't know if that's why I like it so much, but that human hair mix, yeah, I like that. And I think they have human hair mix on the other wigs that I've reviewed from this company. I think this is a bomb wig for work, and I'm probably gonna be wearing it to work because I love this cut. It's asymmetrical, so this side is shorter than this side, but it's not to the point where it's like a vast difference. It's still classy, it's still cute and professional. So I think this will make a bomb work wig, and it does come in different colors on the website, so don't forget to check those out. Like I said, I love this wig. I have no complaints about it. I may be purchasing some more, honestly, because I'm so in love with this. It's not too long. It does feel a little warm on the neck because it is thicker, but I don't mind that. You can put it in a ponytail. It's long enough for that. Let me see how this looks. Hold on. I'm trying to take this part down. So this is it. This is the BS135 from the Main Concept. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Let me know if you like this wig or not. I would definitely recommend this 100%. This is one of my favorite wigs. I'm gonna have to do a top wig video of my favorite wigs of all time so far, because girl, I have a bunch of wigs. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up bell, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a video. I will show you guys a 360 view of this wig so you can see it from the front to the back. I will see you guys soon. Talk to you later. Bye.